Market investigators accept fire up could reach $0 2025. Bearish Revain market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Revain presentation. One of the main results of the crypto business extension is the development of a few useless undertakings. Another is that crypto advancements and blockchain foundations are creating at lightning speed. Thusly, designers should stay informed concerning the most recent improvements inside the crypto space to guarantee that new tasks are viable with the predominant security requests and client taste in the crypto space. Nobody cruises all over today in a pony truck. Notwithstanding the above mentioned, the crypto business is profoundly reliant upon palatable client experience and simple item collaboration. Could it not be fine assuming that there was a way for engineers to get client-driven data that proposes the predominant taste of the market, the state-of-the-art innovation, and plans? Some Moscow specialists suspected as much, and they made Revain as a blockchain stage based on the Ethereum network that permits engineers admittance to inestimable data on the quality and execution of their items. Revain intends to guarantee that items mirror the overarching principles and taste of the market by furnishing designers with data through client surveys. What is Revain? Revain is a computerized stage for ETH-based blockchain project surveys. It gives the stage to designers to get significant input in regards to the quality and functions of their activities, utilizing savvy agreements to guarantee the validity of audits. Revain is the principal online audit stage that depends on blockchain innovation. All surveys are put away changelessly on the Ethereum blockchain, making them carefully designed. The blockchain's unchanging nature gives analysts the certainty that their considerations won't be erased or changed by anybody, including the undertaking creator. The Revain stage boosts clients to compose quality surveys by giving them prizes as tokens. Compensated surveys are then put away on the blockchain, which makes them changeless. This implies organizations can believe the audits on the stage, realizing they are certifiable and can't be adjusted. Revain's utilization of blockchain innovation likewise takes into consideration straightforwardness among organizations and analysts. Organizations can perceive the number of individuals that have surveyed their item or administration and what rating they have gotten. Then again, analysts can perceive how organizations accept their criticism. This makes a commonly useful connection among organizations and commentators, as the two players need to work on the nature of the items and administrations advertised. Revain Major Examination. Revain is the first of its sort to utilize the changelessness of blockchain innovation to guarantee straightforwardness in item surveys. The stage permits designers to get essential data that would illuminate changes to their items, expanding its acknowledgement and similarity with winning business and security conditions. Also, in light of the fact that the crypto market isn't yet immersed, Revain will encounter more use, enhancements, and worth increment. Capitalization. At present positioned 191 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $80,057,880, Revain has not seen the best of its days. At $0, the cost of Revain is pitiful, proposing that crypto lovers would incline toward the undertaking as the business and quality need develops utilization. Coordinated efforts. Revain has joined forces with the large canines in the crypto space. A portion of its partners incorporate Sharp flavoring, Indodex, and Crex24, among other digital money exchanger stages. It has cooperated with Zest, a blockchain stage for organizations to give items, NXT, IGDs, and some more. Revain current cost. Revain is right now worth $0. Fire Up has moved 63.34% as of now with an exchanging volume of $722,358. Revain is right now positioned 191 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $80,057,880 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Revain to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Revain market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Revain Value Forecast 2022. Revain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Fire Up cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Fire Up is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Revain Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Revain Fire Up cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of FireUp will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the FireUp's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, FireUp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Revain Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. FireUp may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. FireUp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Revain Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Revain effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the FireUp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, FireUp will be green in 2025. The FireUp is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Revain Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the FireUp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, FireUp has a most extreme value worth of $0. Revain Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that FireUp figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help FireUp needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Revain Value Forecast 2028. While FireUp is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Revain Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Revain will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Revain Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme FireUp cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And the Revain Group has areas of strength for an and man-made brainpower and large information, which they are using to construct a refined criticism framework. The stage is as of now in beta. However, it has previously built up some forward movement, with more than 1 million evaluations submitted. What is the Revain cost today? Today, Revain is exchanging at $0, an all-out market capitalization of $80,057,880. Is Revain a wise speculation? Revain ended up being